Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create professional presentation videos with Synthesia and turn your information into engaging visual presentations. First, open Synthesia and create a new video project. Before you start, prepare your presentation script and organize your main points in a logical order. Begin with a simple introduction that tells viewers what the presentation is about. Then divide your content into separate scenes, with each scene focusing on one key point. Next, choose an AI avatar that matches the style of your presentation. For business or professional presentations, select an avatar with a confident and professional appearance. After choosing your avatar, select an AI voice that is clear, natural, and easy to understand. Make sure the speaking style fits your presentation topic and audience. Now add your script to each scene. Keep the narration concise and avoid putting too much
Write your
information into
first
one
quiz
section.
prompt with two.
You can then add text, images, videos, shapes, charts, and other visual elements to support your presentation. Use these elements to highlight important points and make the information easier to understand. For example, you can use separate scenes for an introduction, key information, statistics, examples, and a final conclusion. Next, arrange your scenes in the correct order and make sure the presentation flows naturally from one topic to the next. You can also add subtitles so viewers can follow the presentation more easily, especially when watching without sound. Once your presentation is complete, preview the entire video. Check the avatar, voice, pronunciation, timing, text, visuals, and transitions. Make sure the narration matches the information on the screen. If a scene contains too much information, simplify it or divide it into multiple